2019 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag on/off switch, bucket seats, passenger airbag, power windows, brake assist, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, variable speed intermittent wipers, third passenger door. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.